Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by signing into Google Domains and your Shopify admin so you can change DNS immediately. Once signed in, open the domain's DNS settings. This is where you'll add two key records. In Shopify, go to Domains Connect Existing Domain to reveal the record IP and the www CNAME target. Copy them now. Make sure to note TTLs, shorter TTL speed propagation. This first step sets up everything Shopify needs to point your domain to the store. Now edit records in Google Domains, find existing records for the root at, and replace the IP with Shopify's provided IP address, then save. Next, locate or add a CNAME record for the host www and point it to shops. Miss Shopify.com. This ensures www routes correctly. Once done, set TTL to about 3,600 seconds for quicker updates and delete conflicting records that might block resolution. Finally, double-check spelling and hosts, because one typo return to Shopify and click Connect or Verify Domain. Shopify will check DNS and begin SSL provisioning once records match. It can take from minutes up to 48 hours for global propagation, so be patient and periodically refresh the domain status. If verification fails, reopen Google Domains to confirm no extra or CNAME entries conflict. Correct any host names, then try again. One key troubleshooting tip: clear local DNS cache and any CDN caches after fixing records to see changes sooner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.